How you doing, everyone? So we ended up doing a vinyl replacement on this Charger. This car's only about 3 years old. It's an 18. And this originally was in Florida, and these vinyls were shot. And when they prepped it for the customer, whatever they sprayed on the car, when they sprayed it on the vinyl, you could actually see where they sprayed it. It left a mark because these vinyls were so, especially these top pieces, were so dried out. This actually took almost 3 hours to peel off all the old one. It just kept coming off in chunks, so it took forever to get it off. Hood wasn't too bad, and the trunk was just almost as bad. I finally figured out something that kind of worked a little bit, made it a little bit easier, but heat just weakened it, made it worse. So it was a battle to get it off, but now it's off, and now this looks like an 18 now. And we obviously replaced all these. And one of the issues that we had too was when you do this, when these come from the factory, this vinyl is on top of this one. There's a seam right here. There's two pieces. So what we ended up doing was I laid down this one first, then put this one on here. Because what ended up happening with the old one was, because there was a lip here, there was an edge, every time you washed, you were flicking that edge and it pulled the edge away, so it wasn't sticking anymore. And then on top of that, with water getting in there too, probably made it even worse once it started going. And being now that the vehicle's up here in Buffalo during the winter time, now you're going to get now you'd get water inside there, and then eventually it would just start pulling away again. So I ended up putting this piece down first, then this one on top of it. Now we created like a flashing, just like you would on your house. So now nothing can get down and behind this piece of vinyl. And that's the last thing you want, especially here in Buffalo. And obviously with the roof vinyl, it's pretty straightforward. You know, nice and tucked in now behind the window and that window seal. Nice straight cut right down the channel there. Now it's looking like a nice car now. Now it's looking good. So if anybody's interested in ceramic coatings, vinyl replacement, polishing, or our maintenance detail program, give me a call, give me a shout out. You can check the links in the description, or check out precisiondetail.com for more information. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. I'm Dan Zajac. I'm the owner of Precision Pro Auto Detailing, and I look forward to helping you make your car look beautiful again and make your life easier through detailing. Thanks for watching.